What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of people around the world are making $80 every single day? Not from a job, not from a business, not from luck, but from one simple method that requires zero skills and zero investment. You'd probably say, that sounds fake. I get it. I said the same thing. But stay with me for just 2 minutes. Because what I'm about to show you changed my life. And if you actually follow this, it can change yours too. My name is Donald, and 6 months ago, I was exactly where you are right now. Struggling, watching videos like this one, hoping something would finally work. Then, I found this, and now, $80 a day, every day. Consistent, real, provable. Let me show you exactly how. Before I show you the method, let me be completely honest with you. I am not a millionaire. I am not a guru. I don't have a fancy office or a Lamborghini parked outside. What I have is a laptop, an internet connection, and a method that actually works. And the reason I'm making this video is simple. When I was searching for something real, nobody gave me a straight answer. Everyone was selling courses. Everyone was hiding the real steps. I'm not doing that today. Everything I show you in this video is free. No course, no upsell, no hidden fee. Just the method, step by step, right here. Here's the truth about money in 2025. A regular 9-to-5 job pays you for your time. You work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. That's not freedom. That's a trap. What the wealthy do differently is this. They make money work for them, not the other way around. They find systems. They find leverage. They use the internet. And the good news? You don't need to be wealthy to start doing the same thing. You just need the right method. And today, that method is called micro-task arbitrage. Now, before you scroll away thinking this is complicated, it's not. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. There are companies, big companies, small companies, startups, who need small tasks done every single day. Things like testing a website, writing a short review, organizing data, answering a survey, or checking if a link works. These tasks take anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, and these companies pay for every single task completed. Now here's where the arbitrage part comes in. You don't do these tasks yourself. You find the tasks, post them on free platforms where people are already looking for this kind of work. Let others complete them, and you keep the difference. Think of it like this. A company pays $5 for a task. You post it for $3. Someone completes it. You make $2 profit. In 1 hour, you can cycle through 40 tasks like this. That's $80 in 1 hour. And once the system is running, it runs with very little effort from you. Step 1. Create accounts on micro-task platforms. The top platforms right now are Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Microworkers. All free to join, all legitimate, all paying real money every day. Go to each one, create a free account, spend 10 minutes exploring what tasks are available and what they pay. Step 2. Identify high-demand tasks. Look for tasks that are repetitive, simple, and posted in large volumes. Data labeling, audio transcription checks, image tagging, and short surveys are the most common. These are tasks that companies need done in bulk, which means the demand never stops. Step 3. Set up your posting system. Now go to platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, or even Facebook groups where freelancers are actively looking for work. Post a simple offer. I have data entry and micro tasks available, $3 per task, paid within 24 hours. You will get responses quickly. Step 4. Create a simple tracking sheet. Use Google Sheets. It's free. Track every task. What came in, what you paid out, what you kept. This takes 5 minutes a day and keeps everything clean. Step 5. Scale what works. Once you find task types that move fast and pay well, double down. Post more. Recruit more workers. The more volume you push through, the more you earn. This is not complicated. This is a system, and systems, once built, keep running. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds too simple. There must be a catch. Here's the honest answer. The catch is that most people won't do it. Not because it's hard, because it requires consistency. You have to show up for the first 2 weeks and build the system properly. Most people give up in 3 days. But if you stay with it, if you actually follow these 5 steps and give it 2 full weeks, the results will speak for themselves. I've seen people from India, Nigeria, the Philippines, Brazil, the US, all running this same system. Different languages, different time zones, same result. $80 a day is not a dream. It's a target, and it's a reachable one. Let me share something real with you. 3 months after I started this, I got a message from a guy named Arjun. He watched a video similar to this one, followed the steps, and after 18 days, he was making $60 a day consistently. He wasn't technical, he didn't speak perfect English. He had no prior experience. What he had was the method and the discipline to follow it. That's it. And I'm not sharing this to impress you. I'm sharing this because if Arjun can do it, you can do it. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't close this video and forget about it. That's what most people do, and most people stay exactly where they are. Instead, open a new tab right now. Go to microworkers.com, create a free account. Just do step 1 today. That's it. Just step 1. Tomorrow, do step 2. By the end of this week, your system will be live. And 2 weeks from now, you could be making your first $80 day. I'll be posting a full follow-up video showing real numbers, real screenshots, and exactly what happened when I scaled this to $2,400 a month. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. If this video gave you something real today, hit the like button. It helps more people find this. And drop a comment below telling me which step you're starting with. I'll see you